facing the too many redirects error on Safari for iPhone, it can be really annoying. This error usually means the browser is stuck in a loop of URL redirects, stopping the page from loading. Let's go through the steps to fix it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top of the screen. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to verify your internet connection. If you can't load websites, the issue might be with your internet connection. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps. Scroll down and find Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. Cache data can sometimes cause redirect loops, so clearing it up may help. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Keeping your iOS updated can resolve compatibility issues and bugs. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to fix the too many redirects error on Safari for your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching.